What's going on, guys? A few of you have asked me to do an accessory video for all those who have children. That's right, we all know how kids can ruin the interior of a car over its lifetime. I found some helpful products that may make your life easier when it comes to cleaning up those messes. Most of these items will work with both the Tesla Model 3 and Tesla Model Y. My name is Evan, let's get this video started. The first accessory is this window sunshade that blocks 99% of UVA and UVB sun rays. What I love about this item is that it's super easy to install and remove. Simply unfold one of the shades, place the shiny side against the window and swipe. The shade will cling to the window without any suction cups or adhesive. When it's time to remove the shade, simply pull it off, fold it into a circle, and put it back into the included storage bag. Not only is this a great item for the sun protection in the rear seats for the kids, but also for passengers up front where the sun visor doesn't always reach to where you want it. To protect the rear seats from car seat damage, spills, and dirt, this seat cover works great for the Model 3 or Model Y. Installation is quite simple. Start off by snapping the buckle straps around the back headrest, tuck the seat anchors in between the seat cushions, secure the elastic strap around the corners, and finally pull the seat belts through the covers. This protector is completely waterproof and will not slip when installed correctly. It can be cleaned with a damp cloth or be thrown in the wash for those really dirty spills. Not only can this be used for kids, but also for dogs or for those rideshare pickups like myself in their free time. New to the market is this custom fit front seat cover by EV, providing a stay-in-place, hassle-free, spill-proof design. You can literally put it on in seconds with the top elastic strap over the front seat, applying the headrest, and finally clipping the strap around the seat back. The tailored fit design matches the curve of the seat for both the Model 3 and Model Y. I find this useful for maybe teenagers up front or everyday protection from post-workout sweat, food, coffee, and dirt. The quality really feels superior. It's by no means a cheap seat cover you would find anywhere else. For extra protection to your seats, I would highly recommend this leather shield that adds a thin layer of protectant from dirt, UV rays, and the rigors of everyday use. It will not change how the seats feel nor stain the interior. I personally did 2 coats to the driver's seat and only 1 coat to the rest of the seats. I also reapply this product about once a year to help maintain that new car look. It's important to note that this will not restore or remove previous stains. It's only meant for protection for spills and everyday wear and tear. To protect the floor from dirt, snow, and of course kid messes, I would recommend these 3D MaxPider all-weather floor mats that fit the floorboard of the Tesla Model 3 perfectly. The multi-layer construction offers protection not only on the base but also up the sides. They are super easy to clean by either vacuuming or pulling them out or spraying them down with the garden hose. If you prefer something other than the color black, I currently have these AU Taylor floor mats in place, which I think add a nice color to the car's interior that balances nice with the white seats. Both are excellent quality, are easy to clean, 100% odorless, and they make them for both the Model 3 and Model Y. We all know how expensive children can be. If you reside in a city where electricity prices can vary based on time of day, I would recommend signing up for today's sponsor, OptiWatt. This platform is 100% free to use and it only takes 30 seconds to sign up. OptiWatt automatically charges your Tesla at home when electricity rates are at their lowest tier. Users save on average 70% when charging their Tesla with OptiWatt. Set your desired battery target and departure time and OptiWatt will handle the rest. Not only does it optimize your charging habits to save money, but it also shows charging efficiency for every session. Stay up to date with total money spent on electricity and compare how much you save on gasoline costs. While I charge for free at work, I still use OptiWatt for those seldom charging sessions at home. The data is really nice to see, and like I said earlier, it's 100% free using their web app design to fit nicely on the mobile browser or of course their full website. Charge your Tesla the smart way by using OptiWatt. To keep the kids occupied in the back seat while on those road trips, this tablet car headrest mount is great for watching those Netflix shows or any movie. It's adjustable to fit an array of tablets from 5 to 11-inch screens. I placed this iPad mini into the mount and it holds great. The ultra secure Velcro mounts keep the tablet from moving from sudden jerks and sharp turns while driving. It also prevents vibrations caused by bumps on old roads. Overall, it's a great product not only for children but also for rideshare passengers as another amenity to acquire that 5-star rating. All the trash and debris that kids create in the rear seats could be tossed into this trash bin that fits well inside the Model 3 rear center console area. Use the attached strap to wrap it around the base of the center console, tighten the fitting until snug, and close the center console lid. This garbage can is waterproof inside, and you could add a small garbage bag inside if you so choose. With its leak-proof design, this would surely conceal and help keep your Tesla cleaner on those road trips. When it's time to clean the interior, which I typically do about once a month, I use this handy portable vacuum that plugs directly into the Tesla center console. It comes with several types of attachments for all those hard to reach areas of the cabin. Not only does it pick up dust and dirt, but also liquids. The cord is 16 feet long, which gives you plenty of room to reach the entire car no problem. It comes in this nice carrying case, and I always leave it in the trunk of my Model 3 for those emergency cleanups. Now every couple of months I like to wipe down the seats with my favorite all-purpose cleaner, Lithium Hyper Cleanse. With some good microfiber towels, this stuff removes the toughest stains, initially formulated to clean distressed leather, but really it works on all surfaces. Hyper Cleanse is the most effective leather, plastic, and vinyl cleaner on the planet, yet it contains no solvents or other ingredients that will harm the environment or dry out what it cleans. Remove dirt and bacteria that feed on fabrics and leathers by using surface-healthy Lithium Hyper Cleanse. We all know children love to kick the front seats when sitting in the back, and what better way to protect your Tesla from scratches, scuffs, and stains than these kick mats by Lusso. These waterproof kick mats will extend the life of your rear seats with its hassle-free installation. Another bonus is there are pockets on top to store whatever your kids may have, toys, books, snacks, you name it. Installation takes less than 5 minutes with 2 straps that clip into place, one on the top that goes under the headrest and one on the bottom of the seat that tucks into the base. The straps are not noticeable when properly affixed. Overall, it's a great item that comes in a variety of colors. If you're looking to remove those ugly fingerprints on the screen of your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y from your kids playing games, you may want to check out this matte screen protector. Now, I have tried out a few screen protectors before I was satisfied with this one. This protector will offset the glare from the original glass screen, reduce if not eliminate fingerprints, and for those who wear polarized sunglasses like me, no rainbow effect. I really prefer the matte look on the screen, but if you prefer clear glass, there are options out there too. Installing this will take some patience. Use the included alcohol wipe to remove all fingerprints and dirt. Place the protector on the screen. Have the attached included stickers to perfectly align the matte protector. It is very imperative to remove all dust particles and smudges before you place this onto the screen. When removing the backing, slowly let the screen fall into place from one corner to the other. I held onto one edge until the very end. Once installed, it looks really good. It's hardly noticeable, and for the price, you can't beat it. If you want to see more accessories that are not just for kids, be sure to check out my other videos for more cool items I have found to complement your Tesla. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Until the next video guys, be safe and I'll catch you all in the next one.